morning, students. Welcome in your EVS class. Today in EVS class, I will start with lesson 5. I know we have done this chapter earlier, but now after lesson 5, we have done 3-4 more chapters. So today I will start with lesson 5 and I will do the reading. Today in the class, I will do the half reading of the chapter, and in the next class, I will do the half reading. So, first of all, in the board I have written all the introduction, in what places clothes we wear, in what places which type of clothes we wear, and we all know in what places we wear cotton clothes. And at cold places what we wear woolen clothes. Then in this chapter, types of fibers are there. First I will read in hot places and at cold places. So look at your book carefully. Do you know what the first clothes worn by early humans were made of? They were made from animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. They were worn as protection against heat, rain and cold. As humans started living in groups, they felt the need to cover the body and look good. The clothes had to be suitable for the work they did as well as the local climate. In hot places, people wear cotton clothes. At cold places, people wear woolen clothes. Now, different types of clothes. There are different types of fibers. We get natural fibers either from plants or animals. These are man-made fibers. Natural fibers. Do you know that the oldest fabrics known to man are wool and cotton? Wool. Now, you know that from where we get wool? We get wool from sheep, yak, camel, etc. From the furry animals. Wool. Early man discovered that sheep hair can be rolled into a loose yarn for weaving clothes. Hence, he started to make woolen clothes. सबसे पहले अर्ली मैन ने देखा कि जो शीप है उसके जो बाल हैं वो धागा बन जाते हैं और उस धागे से वो वुलन क्लोथ्स बनाते हैं. Then what are the qualities of woolen clothes? Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter season. People living in cold places wear woolen clothes throughout the year. Wool is used to make sweaters, socks, mittens. Mittens means gloves. Shawls, mufflers, etc. Cotton clothes. Later, man learned to make fibers from plants too. He learned to make cotton fibers from the cotton balls that grow on cotton plants. In the wool, we have learned that we have got wool from the sheep, and sheep is the animal and is the natural. And same cotton, we got cotton from cotton plant, and the cotton plant is the natural. So qualities of cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are light and cool. Cotton is a breathable fabric which allows the air to move through it. Cotton clothes are best for summer season or at hot places. Cotton is used to make frocks, shirts, skirts, kurta pajamas, saris, tops, etc. So students, for today, this is enough. Today I have told you the natural fibers, wool and cotton. So silk is also counts in natural fibers, so I will read that also. Open your book and read silk also. Do you know that silk comes from silkworms? Silk was first discovered in China. Why I am reading this chapter again and again? Because in the exam or in your revision, I will take the question answers from the chapter itself. So read the chapter carefully, read each and every sentence from the book. Silk was first discovered in China. Here man learnt to use the cocoon of silkworm to yield silk fibers, which is woven into beautiful silk fabric. प्रोसेस वही है, हम एक धागे से कपड़ा कैसे बनाते हैं उसको वोवन किया जाता है और उसके बाद काता जाता है, काटा नहीं काता, सूत काटना जिसको कहते हैं। इसी तरह सिल्क जो है वो हम सिल्क वॉर्म एक कीड़ा है, उससे हमें सिल्क मिलता है। What are the qualities of silk? Silk is a shiny and expensive cloth. People wear silk clothes on special occasions. Silk is used in making saris, salwar suits, brocades and dupattas, etc. Now students, I want to show you the book. In the book, pictures are given here, and you can see that below the pictures some sentences are there also. So you have to read those sentences also. So the first is, cotton is obtained from cotton balls. You can see the plant of cotton on which the cotton looks like a ball. So the name is cotton balls. And else what they do? These balls are spun into fibers. You can see the girl is doing that. उसने हाथ में कॉटन का बॉल पकड़ा है, दूसरे से उसको थ्रेड बने स्पन कर रही है, उसका धागा बना रही है। Then the next point is, this fiber is then woven into fabric. अब देखिए ये प्रोसेस जो है वो धागे से कैसे कपड़ा बना रहे हैं, फैब्रिक बना रहे हैं। Then next is, we make clothes from this fabric and wear them in summer. Because cotton, as the quality said, the cotton clothes are light and cool, so we wear cotton clothes in summer. Now the next picture. Now you can see the silkworm's cocoon. We get silk from silkworms. You can see this is the silkworm. See here, this is the silkworm. एक कीड़ा है ये. Then cocoon आता है उसमें से. See. फिर उसको हीट करते हैं, उसके बाद उसमें से यार्न धागा निकलता है जो कि बाद में सिल्क का कपड़ा बनता है। Then the last picture from this page, silk clothes are shiny and expensive. Silk clothes are shiny and expensive. People wear silk clothes on special occasions. It keeps very carefully. So in the next class, students, I will read man-made fibers and caring for clothes. Man-made fibers, rayon and nylon are there, and caring for clothes. How can we keep caring for clothes? Washing, कपड़े तो धोते ही हैं हम, washing, ironing, dry cleaning and proper storage. And then in the next class, I will explain these things also. So read the chapter very carefully, and I can ask question from you also. Thank you.